What's good? Take two, we're back. As you can see, motor transmission gone. I'm about to start on the interior. So, seats, dash, pretty much everything coming out. All the back panels in the trunk, everything got to come out. So I'm gonna leave the door panels on for now, but everything else pretty much got to go. Carpet, all that. 4 bolts holding the driver's seat in, and then plus the seat belt. But I cut my seat belts off because I'm gonna reuse the seat belt from the other car. And yeah, this 4 bolts. The socket I'm using is a 3/8. It's the best one I found to fit. So. Bolts out. Pull the seat over. And I'll also make sure to unplug anything up under the seat. So now I'm gonna just cut them. I'm cutting them because I'm not gonna reuse these. So, but in the other car, I can't cut nothing. I keep it all. Passenger side bolts are different. These are 15mm bolts. Scratch that. The fronts are 13, and I guess the backs are 15s. Shit don't make no sense, but whatever. So for the back seat, just push your hand in there, feel for that little metal thing, and just pull up on it. Same thing on the other side, pull up on that side. Pull this out. These shits are filthy. So for the rear seats, got a bolt here, which all of these are 18mm. Put the seat down, got some up under here. You know, you just pull up on these. Each seat should separate. Just go ahead and pull them out. Seat belt. stinking here, bro. Dang. Alright, now I'm gonna do the center console and dash. It's like 3 or 4 8mm bolts down here in the center console. And then 2 Phillips head up here. It's actually 4 Phillips head, but 2. Everything in this car is like pretty much halfway was broken and shit, so I'm just going along with it. That should be it for the center console. Should come right out now. Unplug your cigarette lighter. And I'll get all of these off. These are 10mm, so go ahead and get those off. Alright, y'all, I had to go get a mask and shit because this car got a bunch of fucking mouse shit in here and I don't want to inhale all that shit, so y'all stay safe out ya. I'm gonna get these 2 bolts right here connected to the dash. There should be some screws back here for the dash. Pull this piece off. got 1, 2, 3 bolts holding the dash. We'll go ahead and get those out. That's 3. I'm gonna go do the same thing on the other side. Alright, after you get the bolts out on the side, should be some bolts back here too. Try to pull these pillars off first. Alright, so after I get that plastic piece off, behind this is 2 7mm bolts that y'all need to get to. Them shits is kind of a bitch to get to, but I'm using this with a swivel head on there to get to it, so I'm trying to get them out. I already got one out. Try to get the next one out. Now with all out of the way, the dash should be ready to come out. I'm gonna try to lift it up and pull it back. Forgot to mention, it's 2 10mm bolts right over here above the driver's steering wheel. Like right here in the back where those 2 small bolts are. The 2 7mm, y'all need to get those out too. Is out. Oh, this nigga roll up the window. Boy got them stars in.
You know.
I mean, looking good. Nighttime it look better.
Check me out though. I'll let this go. Hold on, nigga. Oh, he ran back forward. He's right there now. You see him?
No.
Trying to find a way out. Up front, look. Look at him.
I don't see shit.
He's right there up front. You don't see him?
Oh.
Come your ass out of there. Come your ass out of there.
Oh, I see.
Get the vacuum clean. I'm gonna suck his ass out of there. Ooh, it's stinking here. See that camera?
That shit alive?
Yeah.
Oh.
That nigga ain't dead, nigga.
That nigga look fucking infested, nigga. Nigga look like he's gonna die. Ooh, this fucking car is goddamn filthy.
Nigga shit himself.
Well, Ratatouille, gone. Alright, well, that's it for today. Got a lot done. Interior out, vacuumed it up, and motor is out. It's enough for one day. So, only thing that's left, pull the harness out. Probably gonna pull this black piece off the dash. And all the trunk pieces gotta come out. And yeah. Do a little bit of work to it. I'm probably gonna end up painting the engine bay. But apart from that, shit. It's about ready to get that. Alright, y'all. Until next time, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Stop holding out on the subscribers, man. I see y'all watching the video, man. Just subscribe one time, man. Please. Alright.